Assalamu alaikum. This is Shahin Iqbal Sujan. Welcome to my online class. Introduction to Curriculum Development. Curriculum development is the process of designing, implementing, and evaluating educational programs to ensure they effectively meet the needs of learners. This foundational step lays the groundwork for engaging and meaningful instruction. Purpose and objectives of curriculum. Defined objectives. Curriculum establishes clear learning objectives and guide the development of content, instructional activities, and assessment. Student-centered. Effective curriculum prioritizes the needs, interests, and abilities of students to promote engagement and achievement. Alignment. Curriculum aligns instruction, content, and assessment to ensure coherence and consistency throughout the learning process. Curriculum design principles. Relevance. Curriculum content and activities should be relevant to students' lives and the real world. Flexibility. Curriculum should be adaptable to accommodate diverse learner needs and changing educational context. Coherence. Curriculum components should be logically organized and sequenced to build up prior learning. Rigor. Curriculum should challenge students to think critically, problem solve, and demonstrate depth of understanding. Alignment of curriculum with learning outcomes. Establish outcomes. Clearly define the intended learning outcomes that the curriculum must address. Align curriculum. Ensure that the content, instructional strategies, and assessments are fully aligned with the learning outcomes. Evaluate alignment. Continuously assess the degree of alignment between the curriculum and the desired learning outcomes. Instructional strategies and teaching methods. Student-centered. Employ teaching methods that actively engage students and promote active learning. Differentiation. Utilize a variety of instructional strategies to accommodate diverse learning styles and needs. Technology integration. Leverage digital tools and resources to enhance the learning experience and promote 21st century skills. Collaborative learning. Foster opportunities for students to work together, share ideas, and learn from one another. Assessment and evaluation teaching techniques. Formative and assessment. Ongoing informal assessments to monitor student progress and guide instructional decisions. Summative assessment. Comprehensive end of unit or end of course assessments to evaluate mastery of learning objectives. Data analysis. Analyze assessment data to identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement in the curriculum. Differentiation and inclusive practices. Accessibility. Ensure the curriculum and learning environment are accessible to students with diverse needs and abilities. Personalization. Tailor instruction, content, and assessments to individual student strengths, interests, and learning profiles. Collaboration. Foster an inclusive, collaborative learning environment where the students feel valued and supported. Curriculum mapping and integration. Coherence. Curriculum mapping ensures logical sequencing and connections between learning objectives and content. Interdisciplinary. Integrating curriculum across subject areas promotes holistic understanding and transfer of knowledge. Scaffolding. Curriculum design should build up prior learning and provide appropriate support for skill development. Stakeholder engagement and collaboration. Parent involvement. Engage parents as partners in the curriculum development process to ensure it meets the needs of families. Interdepartmental collaboration. Promote cross-departmental collaboration to align curriculum and foster interdisciplinary connections. Community input. Seek feedback and input from local community stakeholders to ensure the curriculum is relevant and responsive. Continuous improvement and curriculum review. Evaluation. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of the curriculum through data analysis, stakeholder feedback, and observation. Refinement. Use evaluation findings to make informed decisions about updating and improving the curriculum over time. Adaptation. Maintain flexibility to adapt the curriculum in response to changing student needs, educational trends, and societal demands. Thank you. Wish you all the best.